Ladies and gentlemen, gather around as we delve into the illuminating tale of a device that turned night into day, the humble flashlight. This story isn't just about the invention itself, but about the spark of human ingenuity that lit up the darkness. Our tale begins in the late 19th century, a time brimming with invention and innovation. Thomas Edison had just patented the incandescent light bulb, casting the world in a whole new light. But it wasn't until the turn of the century that the true potential of portable light would be realized. Enter the stage, David Misell, an inventor whose name might not ring as many bells as Edison's, but whose contribution to our everyday lives is just as significant. Around 1899, Misell put together a device that was rather unremarkable in appearance, but revolutionary in function. This device was a simple tube, outfitted with an electric light bulb and a rough and ready reflector made from crumpled tin foil. It was powered by D batteries laid end to end, a novel setup at the time. But what truly set the flashlight apart wasn't just its portability or its use of dry cell batteries, items that, for the first time, could be used in any orientation without spilling or leaking acid. No, the real innovation was its ability to be turned on and off at will. Misell equipped his device with a contact switch. Press it, and behold, light. Misell's flashlight was initially a tool for professionals. Police officers in New York City were among the first to adopt it, appreciating the ability to instantly summon light without the need for a flame or cumbersome lantern. Its utility was obvious: searching for lost items, patrolling dark alleys, or simply finding one's way in the dark. The device was patented and quickly caught the attention of the American Electrical Novelty and Manufacturing Company, which later evolved into the company we now know as Ever-Eddie. Realizing the potential, they began mass production. The public, enchanted by the idea of controlling light with the push of a button, embraced the flashlight with open arms. From these modest beginnings, the flashlight began its global march. It shrank in size, grew in power, and spread in utility. It illuminated the trenches of world wars, guided climbers up tall mountains, and even traveled to outer space with astronauts. Today, flashlights come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny keychain accessories to robust, high-lumen devices capable of lighting up entire landscapes. They've become a symbol of preparedness, a beacon of safety, and a tool of choice for nighttime adventurers. So, as we sit here comfortably bathed in electric light, let's take a moment to appreciate David Misell's invention. The flashlight, a simple yet profound testament to human creativity, continues to hold the darkness at bay, reminding us that sometimes the greatest innovations come in the smallest, most unassuming packages. And there you have it, my friends, a tale of light from a time of darkness, a story of how a small tube of metal and glass has led us safely through the night for over a century. Thank you, David Misell, for helping us see the light. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.